Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something a little bit different. I'm actually home and I just watched a video by Elwa Saleh. I believe that's how you say her name. She cut her bangs and she made a video about it. She did curtain bangs and she said it's a TikTok trend that's going on, curtain bangs. And I've seen these bangs before. These were really popular in the 90s. I just didn't know they were called curtain bangs. A lot of the supermodels wore them, like Cindy Crawford, Naomi Campbell. But anyway, I decided to cut my hair. So I'm going to take you on this journey with me in case you are thinking about cutting your bangs or cutting your hair as well, or you just want to see me cut my hair. Yeah, I think they turned out pretty good. Let me know in the comments what you think. I actually thought about cutting my bangs when I went to get my hair done the last time, but I decided not to do it. So this time I did my hair myself. I actually finished doing it yesterday, and so it was just bone straight and all mostly the same length as usual. I saw this video and I thought, why not? So yeah, let's do it. So what do you think, guys? Do you think you'll try curtain bangs? Will you cut your own hair like I did? How do you think it turned out? Let me know in the comments below. If you have any tips for me for next time, let me know as well. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.